We got so many things at the thrift. This is just one day of thrifting, and we're gonna give you a haul.
Good day.
Okay, starting out with this Coach bag that I found. This is so good.
It's crazy. My turn. I got this belt. I love this belt. I've wanted a thick belt. Thick belt too, but yellow. Oh, are these from the same brand? Oh, they are. Oh.
Okay, I got these shoes. I don't know what they are. They are like so lightweight. I guess like slippers. I don't know, the brand is Faded Glory. Anyways, they look really cute. They look like Mary Jane's when I'm wearing them. With cool socks. They remind me of like Marnie or something.
Yeah, from that same store. I got this thick yarn, and I don't know what to do with it. It's huge. I like the color.
I got this t-shirt that says sister, and at first I was like, man, I'm not a sister. I definitely am, I have a brother. But in my mind I was like, oh, I don't have a sister, so therefore I'm not a sister. So I'm just an idiot. But yeah.
She is definitely a sister.
This is cute. And soon I will have a sister because my brother's getting married. Oh, I forgot about this belt.
Oh yeah. Oh wait,
my God.
I got a belt too.
We both got belts, like metal ones. This is so cute.
That one's cool.
I could have worn this last night. Yeah, mine is just like a rose metal belt with a leather strap, and hers is more like,
literally so like light too.
mine's heavy.
They definitely only charged me $5 for this.
Yeah,
so.
why was mine 20?
I know.
Then I got this rainbow scarf. I feel like it will be cool styled like this, or like tied on a purse or like a tote bag for some added color.
Like it was a basketball shorts kind of day for Liv. I got these green ones. I got like literally 3 pairs of like athletic pants. Green.
Wait, this is funny. We've never filmed like a sit down.
I know.
YouTube video.
I know.
I'm like, here's my items. Okay, then I got this like swim skirt just to go over a bathing suit. Because sometimes I feel naked walking around in a bikini, so this will make me feel better.
Yeah. Anyway, I've said this like literally 6 times yesterday, but Vienna got a pink tracksuit. She made a video, and I was like, oh my god, I'm so jealous of your pink tracksuit. It's so great. I really want a track jacket. So I have like 15 different photos saved on Pinterest of just like girls wearing track jackets, and they look really cool. And literally, I was like talking to her, literally just telling her a story, and I picked it up and I was like, wait, it's pink track jacket. Yay! It's a pink one.
That is so cute.
I literally wouldn't have cared what color it was, but pink is even better. And now we'll be matchies, except yours is Adidas, which is cooler, but whatever.
The last time I went to this thrift store, I found this dress, and I was telling Liv on the way there, and I was like, oh, my dream dress was there, but it didn't fit. Then
I picked it up. I literally picked it up off the hanger, and I was like, oh my god, this is so cool. And she was like, that's the dress. And then I made her try it on, and it fit.
It did fit. It's definitely a little snug, but for like an event, for a couple hours, I could totally wear it.
It's so cool. It's Betsy Johnson.
Yeah. And then this potentially could be worn together.
Yeah, there's
this
similar
is a
colors.
DKNY satin pink jacket, which could also be worn as a dress. It's very Sex and the City inspired.
I only got like one thing from that place. Well, actually 3 things, but
oh yeah, the
pink
tights.
sweatshirt.
Yay!
Yay!
We like
today's
pink
day. But then I got these. They're Capizio like ballet tights, and like I used to dance, but I've never seen. It's like a full bodysuit.
No, they're like tights that go all the way up.
Thing.
Yeah, you have to send me a photo when you try that on.
And so I just got some regular pink tights, and then I got the bodysuit thing because they were $3. Capizio tights are never $3.
They're like 20. Ooh, okay. Speaking of tights, I got these sheer tights that have mini tulips on them because my cousin.
Tulip.
Yeah, my cousin's name is Tallulah, but we call her Tulip.
Tulip.
They're good quality.
I have a tulip tattooed on my arm.
Ooh, okay. I also got a sporty thing. I need to try this on
yeah.
though. It's an Adidas top. But I feel like it would look cool. Okay, we're going to the Renaissance Fair, so I got this shirt to potentially wear. And I've always wanted one of these tops, but I can never find one that actually looks good on me. But this one fits perfect. Very interesting. What is this? Oh my god, okay, so this is my favorite European brands. I don't know how you say it. Francois. I literally speak French and I can't even pronounce that. That's embarrassing. But anyways, I always look on Poshmark for pieces from this brand. And this is just like a simple navy dress. Is it black or navy?
Jumpsuit. It looks navy.
Then I got this BB hoodie, which is just a white hoodie, but it fits perfectly.
And the cute things.
It has flower embroidery. So it's like cooler than wearing a hoodie, but just as comfortable.
With your white Coach bag?
Yes. And my pink tracksuit bottoms.
Your pink tracksuit bottoms, literally.
Yay!
If you're gonna spend a lot of money anywhere, go to the animal shelter.
Okay, next we went to the DAV, which usually I'm not that big of a DAV fan. Oh my god, I found a Moschino dress for $6. It was not my size, but that's a crazy find. I left it there though. Somebody else.
You didn't get it?
No.
Oh.
Because I knew that I wasn't going to do anything with it.
Yeah.
Liv found me these corduroy pants.
Because she was talking about how she liked black jorts.
And I hope that they're going to be like an oversized fit so I can wear them low-waisted.
I'm telling you, it's basketball shorts day.
Those are so cute.
They got these little Adidas ones, and they're blue, and they have like little pinstripes on them. They're cute. Literally, before we went thrifting, my wish list was thick belt, track jacket, basketball shorts. We're going athleisure this summer. So, I got everything that I wanted to get. That's my one thing that I got. Whoa.
This is a top that isn't necessarily my style, and I have a lot of pieces like this and then I never wear them. But this one I wanted still. I feel like it'll be cute with light wash denim shorts. It's interesting to look at.
Yeah. Another Adidas thing.
Yeah.
These are actually kids' pants, but I don't have any track pants, so these are cool.
Okay, on my wish list, I really wanted a dress like this. I like a long sleeve, long dress. I couldn't find, but I found this long sleeve velvet dress, which I think will be cute styled with a thick belt, so it's kind of like bunched up at the waist.
Belt.
Oh, I got this. I wasn't sure about this, but Liv said
Yeah,
to
she
definitely
showed it
get
to me. She was like, "No, I don't know about this," and then I was like, "No, you have to get those. They're so cool."
It didn't come with a top, but it's this belted black high-waisted
tank
bottom.
top or like a t-shirt.
Exactly.
I think it'd be so cute, or like with some tights too, or like colored tights.
Oh,
in there.
true.
Yeah.
So I was thinking like for the beach, but
Well,
I
that
could
too.
totally wear it. But I could totally wear it like
You could wear it to like an
with
event.
tight. Yeah. Then I got this, and I wasn't sure about this, but then Liv was like, "Wear it with a black skirt, like a black dress."
I sold
underneath."
her on it
And I was like,
immediately.
"You're right, like a little mini skirt with black knee socks or tights even."
Yeah.
Oh, and like blue tights
Yeah.
maybe.
And like boots, cute.
This is also like ugly but cool.
I like it.
I like the idea of something where it's like a basic white shirt but a little bit cooler, but you can still wear it and be comfortable. So this is my new basic white shirt.
With
That's
jorts.
spiky. With jorts.
cool.
With my corduroy jorts.
With your quarter, so many textures. Anyway, we're going to the Renaissance Fair. You have to vlog
Oh, I will
that.
vlog.
Yeah.
Oh, heck yeah. Okay, my next vlog will be Renaissance Fair vlog. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, follow us on TikTok and Instagram.
Woo!
Woo!
Woo! Insane THRiFT HAUL!